The information describes a Lutron system designed to address code restrictions on dimming general-purpose receptacles. Previously, dimming floor lamps by plugging them into a standard dimmed receptacle was a common practice. However, code changes, specifically National Electrical Code Section 404.13e, now restrict the dimming of general-purpose receptacles. Lutron has developed a solution that involves a specialized receptacle and a matching plug to allow for dimming in a code-compliant manner. The system consists of the following parts: the NTR-15 DFDU, which is a 15 amp receptacle, the NTR-20 DFDU, which is a 20 amp receptacle, and the RPFDU-10, which is the plug. The key to this system's compliance lies in the fact that the plug is designed to be used only with lamps or fixtures that have been specifically rewired to accept it. The Lutron tech has said that it is unlikely that a standard appliance would be wired with this specialized plug, thus satisfying the code requirement. This system has been approved by Underwriters Laboratories Incorporated, known as UL, for both commercial and residential applications. The Lutron dimmable receptacle and plug system provides a way to dim portable lamps while adhering to electrical code requirements, offering a solution to the restrictions on dimming general-purpose receptacles. To further explain, the older method involved simply plugging a standard lamp into a dimmer-controlled receptacle. The code change likely occurred because of safety concerns or potential misuse of dimmed receptacles. For example, someone might plug an appliance not designed for dimming into a dimmed receptacle, which could damage the appliance or create a fire hazard. The Lutron system prevents this by ensuring that only lamps specifically designed and wired for dimming can be connected to the dimmed receptacle. This engineered solution ensures both functionality and safety, satisfying regulatory requirements and providing a safe, reliable way to dim lamps. This prevents accidental damage to non-dimmable devices that may have been previously connected to dimmed receptacles. Further elaborating on the technical aspects, the Lutron system likely incorporates specific design features in both the receptacle and the plug to ensure proper dimming functionality and prevent misuse. These features could include unique pin configurations, polarized connections, or internal circuitry that communicates between the receptacle and the plug. These design elements, firstly, make it physically impossible to plug a standard appliance into the dimmed receptacle, and secondly, ensure that the dimming control is properly matched to the lamp's requirements. The Underwriters Laboratories Incorporated, known as UL, listing indicates that the system has been thoroughly tested and meets established safety standards. These tests would cover a range of potential hazards, including electrical shock, fire, and mechanical failure. The UL listing provides assurance that the Lutron system is safe to use when installed and operated according to the manufacturer's instructions. Furthermore, the Lutron system may incorporate advanced dimming technology to ensure smooth and flicker-free dimming performance. This could involve using solid-state components, such as triacs or insulated gate bipolar transistors, known as IGBTs, to control the flow of electricity to the lamp. The dimming circuitry may also include filtering and compensation components to minimize electrical noise and improve the quality of the dimmed light. From an installation perspective, it is important to follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully when installing the Lutron dimmable receptacle and plug system. This includes ensuring that the receptacle is properly wired to the electrical circuit and that the lamp is correctly rewired with the matching plug. It is also important to use appropriate wiring methods and materials to ensure a safe and reliable installation. It is recommended that a qualified electrician perform the installation to ensure compliance with all applicable electrical codes and standards. Moreover, the Lutron system may offer additional features, such as compatibility with different types of lamps, including incandescent halogen and light-emitting diode, known as LED lamps. The system may also offer different dimming ranges and control options, such as slide dimmers, rotary dimmers, or digital dimmers. These features provide flexibility and allow users to customize the dimming performance to their specific needs and preferences. The system would typically have specifications for the minimum and maximum wattage for compatible lamps. Using lamps outside of these wattage ranges may result in improper dimming performance or damage to the system. The Lutron system is designed to address the need for code-compliant dimming solutions in both residential and commercial settings. By using a specialized receptacle and plug, the system ensures that only compatible lamps can be dimmed, preventing potential safety hazards and code violations. The Underwriters Laboratories Incorporated, known as UL, listing provides assurance of the system's safety and reliability. When selecting a Lutron dimmable receptacle and plug system, it is important to consider the specific requirements of the application, including the type of lamps being used, the desired dimming range, and the control options. It is also important to ensure that the system is properly installed and maintained to ensure optimal performance and longevity. The Lutron system provides a practical and code-compliant solution for dimming lamps in a variety of settings. The Lutron dimming system offers a significant advancement in lighting control, particularly in light of evolving electrical codes. Electrical codes, such as the National Electrical Code, are updated periodically to address safety concerns and technological advancements. These changes often necessitate new approaches to common electrical practices, such as dimming lights. The introduction of the Lutron dimmable receptacle and plug system reflects the industry's response to these code changes, providing a solution that maintains functionality while adhering to safety regulations. The design of the Lutron system takes into account the potential hazards associated with dimming general-purpose receptacles. Dimming a standard receptacle could lead to the connection of incompatible devices, which might overheat, malfunction, or create a fire risk. By requiring a specialized plug for dimming, the Lutron system prevents the connection of such incompatible devices. This design feature enhances safety and minimizes the risk of electrical accidents. The Underwriters Laboratories Incorporated, known as UL, listing of the Lutron system is a critical aspect of its acceptance and use. The UL listing signifies that the system has undergone rigorous testing and meets established safety standards. These standards cover a wide range of electrical and mechanical characteristics, ensuring that the system performs reliably and safely under various operating conditions. The UL listing provides assurance to both installers and end users that the Lutron system is a safe and dependable product. The installation of the Lutron dimmable receptacle and plug system is straightforward, but it is essential to follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully. Proper wiring and connection techniques are crucial for ensuring the system's performance and safety. It is recommended that a qualified electrician perform the installation to ensure compliance with local electrical codes and best practices. The use of appropriate tools and materials is also essential for a successful installation. In addition to its safety and code compliance benefits, the Lutron system offers several practical advantages. It allows for the convenient dimming of portable lamps, providing users with greater control over their lighting environment. The system is compatible with a variety of lamp types, including incandescent halogen and light-emitting diode, known as LED lamps, making it a versatile solution for different lighting applications. The availability of different dimming ranges and control options further enhances the system's flexibility. Furthermore, the Lutron system may incorporate energy-saving features such as dimming capabilities that reduce power consumption. Dimming lights not only creates a more comfortable and aesthetically pleasing environment but also saves energy and extends the lifespan of lamps. The Lutron system can contribute to overall energy efficiency and sustainability in buildings and homes. From a maintenance perspective, the Lutron dimmable receptacle and plug system requires minimal upkeep. Regular inspection should be conducted to ensure that the receptacle and plug are in good condition and that the wiring connections are secure. Any damage to a worn component should be replaced promptly to maintain the system's safety and performance. The system should also be protected from moisture and other environmental factors that could cause corrosion or damage. The Lutron system represents a significant advancement in dimming technology, providing a safe, code-compliant, and energy-efficient solution for controlling lighting in various settings. The system's design, UL listing, installation guidelines, and practical advantages make it a valuable addition to modern electrical systems. It showcases how technology can be developed to address code requirements while enhancing functionality and user experience. The innovation from Lutron provides a solution that not only meets regulatory standards but also improves the quality of lighting control and energy efficiency. The Lutron system is an example of how manufacturers can proactively address code changes and develop innovative products that benefit both consumers and the industry as a whole. The system also helps improve safety, enhance energy savings, and improve the consumer user experience. The Lutron system ensures that older dimmer systems can be updated with this safe, code-compliant system. The Lutron dimmable receptacle and plug system is designed to meet a range of electrical codes and safety standards. These codes and standards are put in place to protect users from electrical hazards and to ensure that electrical systems operate safely and reliably. The Lutron system complies with these requirements, making it a safe and code-compliant solution for dimming lamps. Lutron's system also likely offers protection from overloads, short circuits, and other electrical faults. It should also have proper grounding to prevent electrical shock. The system should meet Underwriters Laboratories Incorporated, known as UL, standards for safety and performance. When choosing a receptacle, make sure it is compatible with the lamp type you intend to use. This will ensure that the lamps work correctly and that the system operates safely. Make sure the dimming range and features of the system meet your specific lighting needs. Proper installation is key to the safe and reliable operation of the Lutron system. Follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully and consult a qualified electrician if you have any questions. The Lutron system is a versatile and safe solution for dimming lamps in a variety of settings.